All right. Hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to the channel. And if you've been following along or if you're new, welcome. And what I do here is I show you using TradingView, the free version, of how I find the indicators that I use. I have a subchart, the MACD, but I also have one that I can show you that is easy for anyone to use because it has an easy buy and sell indicator, and it also has 4 trend lines, and it kind of has a super trend line. And also I'm going to show you using the TradingView free version of how to use a screener, what screener settings to use the indicator on the buy sell indicator that I'm going to show you, which is rare. Most people, they do show you a strategy indicator. Well, I'm giving you both here. I'm showing you what indicator, which is a buy sell, and then I show you what screener settings to use to actually find those stocks to use. So let's get to it. So we're in TradingView. We're going to select product here and just simply go to super charts. You're going to open it up here, and this is what you want. I've got this volume setting here for some reason. I was looking at volume. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm just going to get rid of everything so your chart would look like this. But it may be white. I made mine dark. That's another video. But let's go. You just go to indicators here, and I'm just going to type in SMA 9/50/180 EMA. It's this one right here. I have it saved in Phillips, SCVZVW, something like that. It's the only one that's like that. And here you go. We've got this nice buy sell. We've got this little chart line here, but we've got the white. This is a 180 SMA. The blue is a 50 SMA, and the red is an SMA 9, and then the yellow is an EMA 20. And then you have the buy and sell. You can't really see them. I like to clean that up, and what I do is I go to settings here. This is just my personal preference, and I get rid of this buy-sell chart line because you already got the buy-sell indicators. And as you can see, it's a lot cleaner. You can see the buy-sell indicators. Very simple. They tell you when to buy. They tell you when to sell. I got Plantier up here. And you see on the last one here, if you would have bought here where it said and you would have closed out, you would have made 61%. So not too bad. But now I'm going to show you another indicator that I use to go along with this one. You can never the MACD, and you click that in, and I am all set. So I've got 2 indicators kind of maybe show me when these are going to come up. And so we go to screeners. We go right here. You've got to open up another TradingView, and right over here on products, there's a screeners here, and we're just going to click on stocks. There we go. So here we go. Here's the stock screener. Has all the stocks listed up here that are in the US market. But that's too many, so we're going to click on the plus here. I start off with market data, average volume, 30 days, and I click add the filter. And then you've got to make some other changes or nothing's going to happen. I go to manual setup, and I type in 1 million, type in 500,000, type in anything you want. I just want a stock that has liquidity. So there we go. We're down to 20, almost 2,300. We're going to add a new filter. We hit the plus sign here, and I'm going to type in MACD. I click on that. I stick on the daily because for the free version you can only use daily, weekly, or monthly. Click add. You got to click on it again, and I'm going to put level cross up signal, and we're down to 72. Click the plus sign again here, and I type in SMA. And And then I'm going to go to 200, add filter. I'll click on it again to make this thing just, I want below price. Down to 32. And by today is March 26th, so this list will be for if you're looking for some stocks to trade for March 27th, because it's the 26th, 2025. Remember, this is all just educational purposes. So another SMA, and we'll be all done. And I'm going to click on the 9 because I use the 9. That's what I base my trading off of. And I'm going to put below price 0 to 10%. I'm going to go in again and click on manual and make it even less. I'm going to go 0 to 3%, see if I can shorten it up. And I got down to 18. If 18 is too many, you can always go by, I like to go by, you go by price change. I personally like to go by volume. Sort by descending, see what volume's doing the best, and then I just kind of focus on these top 10, do whatever you want. Or you can go by analyst rating, sort by ascending. Got the strong buys and the buys up here. And so, I would just, we got Solaris, Wave Life Sciences, Alaska Good, US Food. We'll look at the strong. Why they're saying these are strong buys. That's what I look at first. You can see this has gone down. Had to sell. Basically, it's given me, these are ones I'll look for future. So the MACD just did cross. We could have a possible uptrend on this one. And then I just go through, click on Wave. See the super chart. It's been going down. Ooh, it's starting to come back a little bit. That'd be a big, I don't know, Alaska Air. Let's see what's going on here with Alaska Air. Oh, it's taking a big dive, but it looks like it may. It's consolidating. Something to look at. It was doing fine and came down along with everybody else. But yeah, that's another one to look at the list. We do have McDonald's that just sticks out. I always look at the ones that the companies stick out. Ooh, McDonald's went way up today. Way up today. What's going on there? So possible McDonald's there. And so that's it. Another indicator I would be, let's say I was looking at this. There's another one. This is the bonus. So to do this, I'll click off MACD because I got the free version, and then I'll go in indicators and I will go and do this multi-kernel regression. And I'll just tap on that. And it's this line here you can kind of see, and it's green. And it gets a little red here, but it's green. So if I had any inclination, I kind of look at this line. I'll make it bigger for you, and I'm like, okay, this is telling me that this is still a good buy usually. You got to kind of watch this line because it'll kind of switch up on you, but usually if it's been green for a while, that is usually a good sign. With trades, we're doing probability. It's all probabilities. Anything can happen. We're just trying to get the best, indicators that we can use and the probabilities and put, there's so many strategies. Make sure you watch your stocks. I'm on the daily, so do I really need a stop loss? Not really. I can just watch them and not get too destroyed, but, do whatever you know is in your safety zone. So I'm going to leave it at that. I hope if you found any of this valuable, go ahead, do me a favor. Here's the list again. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, happy trading, and I hope you have some good wins here through this year. Hopefully things are going to pick up. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.